In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube channel in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support such a functionality by default, we are going to have to make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com website. The page that you land on looks just like this. From here, head over to the navigation menu of the page, which will be around the top here, and then there you will find the widgets button. I want you to hover over it, and then I want you to go all the way down to video right here, and then go to YouTube gallery, click on this, and then I want you to click on create widget for free right here. Once you've done that, this will take you to a template section of a sort. And if YouTube channel is not already selected, I want you to click on that. And then this is what it's going to look like on your Wix website. Now, don't worry about the overall look or the design because that's something that we can change. And I'm going to show you how in just a second. From here, simply go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then here you need to add your YouTube channel. I'm not going to change anything here because I like the way it looks. At the bottom here, you can also add source groups if you want to. I'm not going to get into too much detail about those because I don't want to make the video super long. And then on the left hand side, you can change the layout, the appearance, as well as some advanced settings right here of the widget. So for example, if you want to make any changes in terms of the header, like the text, for example, you can do that. In terms of the layout, the header, of course, you can remove the logo if you want to. In my case, I wouldn't recommend it, so I'm not going to remove it. You can get rid of the banner, the channel name, and a bunch of other things like that. Once you're happy with the contents as well as how the widget looks, what you need to do is to go ahead and click Add to Website for free right here, and then this is going to create the widget for you. Now, bear in mind that before you get to this page right here, it will ask you to log in, which means that you're going to have to create an account with the platform if you don't already have one. So go ahead and do that. Alternatively, you can log in through your Google account, which is what I've done because it's quick and easy. Then once you've done that, they'll take you to this page right here. And the last thing that we need to do is click on publish, which will be right in the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, mine says publish because it already is published. So go ahead and do that. And then it will take you to the section where you need to select a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we have with Elfsight, we are going to choose the free plan. However, in the future, if you do decide to use multiple of their widgets, you have to opt for one of the premium plans. However, for now, just go for the free plan. And then that will automatically take you to this section right here, which is where we can copy the code for our YouTube channel widget. Click on copy code right here, and then we can head over to our Wix editor. As you can see, I'm already there. So from here, head over to the page where you want to add the YouTube channel. In my case, I want it on the home page right here, and as you can see, I've got plenty of space for it. So once you've got plenty of space for the widget, head over to the top right corner of the screen, and there you will find this search button. Click on that, and then search for HTML. Once it loads up, Add to Site will appear here, and then Embed as well. Click on that, and then on the left-hand side, that's going to open up a brand new menu. From here, underneath popular embeds, you will see embed HTML. Click on that, and then this is going to add an HTML box right to your Wix website. From here, simply paste the code and then click on update, and in a couple of seconds, your YouTube channel widget will be added to your Wix website. From here, just size it accordingly, position it whatever you want, just like this, and then let's go ahead and preview the website and see what it looks like. As you can see, takes a bit of time to load up, but once it does, this is what it looks like. So you can see people can scroll through your videos and also subscribe and do a bunch of different things. There's also a pages right here if people don't want to click this arrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a YouTube channel in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.